Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Dib and today we're going to show you this Four Winds. It's 2019, it's brand new. So as you know, the Four Winds are known, you see them all over the place. Very reliable. It's a 350 chassis on this one. What I love about this one, it has the side cameras. Side cameras right here, no blind zone. You blink left, right, you can see it. Power awning, LED lights as you can see. Come on in, let me show you more stuff. As you walk in this coach, of course, there is the couch, which is very important, and a dinette that turns into a bed. Nice screen down there for your backup camera, and of course, you have a big, huge TV on the left there that comes around, and you can watch it from many angles. As you come here, small kitchen a little bit, maybe not too much counter space, but it's going to be enough with this big sink. I like this big one sink right there. The new style stove and oven, that's the craze right now. Pretty cool. I like this one here. They made a lot of thought. They put a lot of thoughts in this. Look at this management right here, storage management. I like that a lot. Okay, more cubbies. This is your pantry. And as we come here, this is the slide out for your bedroom. So that gives you the walk around bed, They give you a curtain here for privacy, but you got a TV also in here. So as we go through here, we're gonna look into look at that. This is a big bathroom, big shower, big bathroom, you name it. I don't care how big you are, you'll fit in here. It's pretty cool. Nice closet here. That's pretty big for the size. Got a fridge, freezer. Look at that. Let me show the camera right here real quick. See that? Pretty cool. Let's go outside and show you more stuff. Of course, this is a short one, so 26B. As we go around, you got your tow package, you got your backup camera, you got your ladder. That means you can go walk on roof. That's what that means when you see a ladder. You can check for debris, what have you. This is the slide out in the bedroom with the toppers. You see that? That keeps it safe and clean. And as we go around here, you got your outside shower. Pretty cool to have that. Your gen is down there also. And again, there's a lot of information here available. Give me a call, 541-515-1237. Thank you.